Welcome to CabZoy Tutorials, where we help you make the most out of our platform. In today's tutorial, we will explore the concept of the default company and how to add it to your CabZoy dashboard. So, let's dive right in. To get started, please log in to your newly installed CabZoy dashboard. Once you're logged in, we can begin the process of adding the default company that manages your taxi services. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you will find a section labeled Companies. This is where you can manage all your registered companies. Now, it's crucial to understand the significance of registering your default company. Your default company is the primary entity that oversees your taxi services. Without specifying this main company, you won't be able to access or manage your taxi features effectively. Let's go ahead and add your default company. To do this, click on the Add Company section. Here, you can enter the name of your company or any desired name. But most importantly, make sure to select Yes in the Default Company field. This designates this company as your default, ensuring proper management of your taxi services. Next, fill in all the necessary details related to your company. Provide accurate and complete information. Once you've done that, click on the Add Company button. Congratulations! You've successfully added your default company. From this point, you can also update your default company's information as needed. And there you have it. In this tutorial, we've learned how to register and set up the default company in CabZoy. This step is crucial for the smooth functioning of your taxi services within the dashboard. Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate your time and hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.